I would like to call my supervisor up, Ms. LaClevia Morley, who was the interim and operating for about 8 to 9 months on behalf of the city of Miami.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Okay. So I just want to quickly say, Happy Haitian Heritage Month. I just want to give some quick acknowledgments to our chairwoman in her absence, but she does have a representative. Some of her staff here are present with us this morning. Commissioner Keon Hardeman and his support. He has staff here as well. And our city manager and deputy city manager's absence. Our assistant city manager, Ms. Barbie Hernandez. She's here with us this morning. Want to recognize our parks team that are here. Also, some of our sister departments, daycare, we have the police department here. Then I want to give a special shout out to the LHCC staff and all the work that you do that goes unnoticed. You see all of these beautiful events, but a lot of times we forget all the hard work that leads up to this and that is happening behind the scenes. To our community-based organizations, our partners, our lifelong partners that activate this space, and to all of the beautiful events that you have planned during the course of the month. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'd also like to just give a shout out to everybody that's here. To all of the people that are in this space. Give yourself a round of applause. To people that may be watching us online, we thank you for joining us. And I just ask that you, if you're not already doing so, follow us on social media so that you can see what is happening in this space year round, not only this month. I forgot to acknowledge our Little Haiti Revitalization Trust, who is a partner and also participates and has their office in this space. Thank you so much, Joanne and team. And I'm just going to say, I look forward to seeing each and every one of you throughout the course of the month when I'm here at some of these activities. Make sure that you spread the word, you bring a friend, you tell a friend, help activate this space. We want to continue to activate and have this center thrive as the neighborhood continues to grow. So again, Happy Haitian Heritage Month. Dasha, great job. Look forward to seeing you all throughout the course of the month.